How can I use POV in my TikTok videos?
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can use POV, point of view, in your TikTok videos to make them more engaging and immersive. POV videos have become extremely popular on TikTok, and incorporating this technique into your content can help you stand out and captivate your audience. So, let's dive right in.
What is POV?
Before we discuss how to use POV in your TikTok videos, let's first understand what POV means. POV stands for point of view, and it refers to creating content from the perspective of a specific character or persona. Instead of filming yourself directly, you embody a character and record the video as if you are experiencing the situation yourself. This technique allows viewers to feel like they are a part of the scene, enhancing the immersive experience.
Choosing the right character and scenario.
To effectively use POV in your TikTok videos, it's crucial to choose the right character and scenario. Consider your target audience and what type of content they enjoy. Are you creating comedy skits, makeup tutorials, or storytelling videos? Select a character that aligns with your content niche and think about the scenarios that would be interesting and relatable to your viewers. For example, if you're a makeup artist, you could create a POV video where you portray a customer getting a makeover at your salon. By showing the process from the customer's perspective, viewers can feel like they're receiving the makeover themselves, making the video more engaging.
Filming techniques.
When filming a POV video, there are several techniques you can use to enhance the immersion and make the experience more realistic for your viewers. First-person perspective. Hold the camera at eye level and imagine that you are seeing the world through the eyes of your character. This will create a more authentic POV experience. Camera movements. Incorporate subtle camera movements to mimic the natural head and body motions of your character. For example, if your character is running, you can simulate the motion by gently shaking the camera. Interaction with objects. Encourage interaction with objects in the video to further immerse your viewers. If your character is cooking, show them handling ingredients or using kitchen utensils. Experiment with different filming techniques to find what works best for your content and helps to convey the POV effectively.
Editing and effects.
Once you've filmed your POV video, it's time to edit and add effects to enhance the overall experience. Here are a few editing tips to consider. Transitions. Use smooth transitions to switch between different scenes or moments within the video. This will create a seamless flow and maintain the viewer's engagement. Sound effects. Incorporate relevant sound effects to complement the actions happening in the video. For instance, if your character is walking, add footsteps sound effects to make it more realistic. Text overlays. Add text overlays to provide context or dialogue for your character. This can help viewers follow the storyline and understand what is happening. Remember to keep the editing cohesive and aligned with the overall theme of your video. That's it for today's video on how to use POV in your TikTok videos. By creating content from the perspective of a character, you can make your videos more immersive and engaging for your audience. Remember to choose the right character, use appropriate filming techniques, and enhance the overall experience with editing and effects. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to create amazing POV content for your TikTok channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and